Welcome to this mini course on No-BS OKRs. I'm Sarah Lobkovich, OKR activist, and I'm really excited you're here for this mini course to start or continue your journey learning to create objectives and key results to increase clarity, focus, and alignment in your work or team. This mini course stems from a kind of radical ask from a client to teach OKR creation in a workshop in 45 minutes or less. My methods for OKR creation are fast, but even for me, that was a little bit daunting at first. It's not a lot of time to help you get started. But it turned out to be a really fun challenge and has turned into a successful workshop that I now deliver routinely for clients and in workshops and team meetings. But this is the first time I'm sharing it as a mini course. You will not learn everything you need to know about OKRs here. That's what my Creating No BS OKRs course and my No BS OKR coach trainings are for. You will learn some of the important basic words and meanings of OKRs, and you'll walk through a set of steps that will ultimately help you create OKRs in minutes, not hours, days, weeks, or even months. So, this version is fully asynchronous and self paced, but the steps you're going to follow here are some of the ones I use every day helping clients create game changing OKRs. So, they are tested, proven, accessible, and the material will guide you at every step of the way. I am so excited you're here to learn this efficient, effective way to create objectives and key results that's both good for business and good for people. For some of you, this will provide all the information you need to get started right with OKRs. Before objectives and key results, I was a frustrated employee and executive leader who felt smushed between my talented team's needs and my leadership and clients, sometimes unclear and shifting expectations. I was always perplexed at why it was so hard for me to figure out how to succeed. With No BS OKRs, I've found my way to be a confident people and executive business leader and now self employed person, able to lead for vision, quantifiable results, and high employee satisfaction and engagement. Am really excited to see you make this type of important shift in your own career, starting with what you learn here. I truly believe that inspired goal setting in the form of No BS OKRs can change our organizations and systems for the better. So let's get you oriented to this learning environment and then we'll dive right in.